All right. Little microphone inside the helmet. Thanks to the guys up in the booth. Yeah, this track is a lot more like the real Dover. These trucks actually respond to it. As you saw a little bit before, the road here is a little narrow, so that's more prone to accidents. So be on the lookout. All right, as we cross the line, we're going to go into one. We got to let off the brake a little bit, just so we can stick it to the bottom and not spin or hit the wall. And then the back stretch, go down 3 and 4, do the same thing. 3 and 4. It's a little more lenient on your braking and throttle. You don't really have to brake there, but 1 and 2 is your key point. As you see, I didn't brake and it pushed up towards the wall. But be on the lookout for how people respond to the turns and how they respond to getting loose. And it might be even a little interesting to see who Miles will tame today.